It is a beautiful day here in Phuket, Thailand. That's where we're at right now. And yeah, just waking up. Got a bunch of stuff that I have to do today and this week, and so I thought that this might be a good time to just kind of like bring you along for a little travel vlog, sort of like day slash weekend slash potentially week in the life of me just working and traveling and parenting and exploring and all the things. Have to start today with some housekeeping because all of that kind of stuff is just all par for the course when you're traveling long term. So I'm gonna go pick up our laundry, maybe grab a coffee, and then just sort of like see where life takes us. So if you are interested in just coming along and enjoying the views and all that fun stuff, just like exploring Thailand, Phuket with me, then definitely hit that like and subscribe button, do that. And I will also be leaving some like videos and stuff from other spots and planning resources and things like that in the description of this video if you are coming to the area or if you're interested, and yeah, you know, check it out. So beautiful day, promises to just get more and more beautiful.
Spoiler alert, it in fact did not get more beautiful.
So let's just get this one started. So before laundry, we checked out this market a few streets back from the beach, picked up some fresh fruit and a banana mango smoothie, delicious. And then we headed back to pick up our 2 weeks worth of laundry from the laundry stand nearby our hotel. Laundry? Okay, so errands were a success. It is so hot out today and humid. The humidity is always going to be what gets me, but this is our laundry, all washed and folded up neat and nice. This is my laundry, Derek, my husband's laundry, and then our 2-year-old's laundry as well. It's all mixed up in there, and we paid about $10 to get it all washed, cleaned, folded, and squashed into that tiny little bag. And then we went and did a little bit of walking around.
Fun fact that I forgot to mention, we also stopped for massages. Toddler Travel Tip: if your toddler is a fairly heavy sleeper, then nap time massages are a must.
But I must say, if you're coming to Thailand, definitely do the like by kilo laundry situation. Don't do the like itemized stuff at your hotel where they're like, it's $1 for a shirt and 50 cents for socks or whatever, because this is, yeah, the way to go.
Tomorrow.
Okay, so it is raining like crazy. The weather report during rainy season, honestly, it always shows like full rain every single day, and then you end up getting like, you know, little pockets of rain here and there, so it's not usually a big deal, but it is pretty crazy at the moment, like thunderstorming and everything, and the weather report for today is just like thunderstorms all day. So we've been hanging out this morning, and we're changing locations this afternoon. We're gonna move to a new hotel and like a new area region of Phuket and check that out. It'll be new for us as well. We've never been there before, so looking forward to kind of like checking it out, checking the beach there and everything like that, and just kind of like bringing you along as long as this crazy weather subsides. We got some flooding, all that fun stuff. So just packing up now, and then yeah, we're on the road. Okay, so we have made it to our spot here at Nai Harn Beach. Still raining on and off a little bit. Ooh. But we have an absolutely beautiful spot here. Oh, here we go. So I'm excited to just kind of rest and relax. Because it's raining now, I'm gonna try and get some work done. Derek has just taken the little one down to see if there's like a kids club or something along those lines for her to do while I get some work out of the way. But honestly, working while it's raining, like that's my vibe. Not only because I feel like I'm not missing out on a ton of stuff, but also just like the sound of the rain and everything is really nice. I feel like I can concentrate a lot more. I don't know if anyone else, if you're like that, let me know. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and get a little bit of work done while they're out, and then we'll just sort of see where the day, the week, and the weather takes us. Okay, it took a minute. The sun is shining, it is back. So let's go to the beach. So it turns out that I am absolutely in love with this spot. It is a little more quiet and peaceful than I initially anticipated, but you know, sometimes that just is exactly what you need, especially compared to Patong, where we just came from. It's just like so quiet and relaxing, and there's still a bunch of stuff that's like really close by, so we can go to the beach, we can go to restaurants. In my next video, I will give you guys a tour of our suite here and of the hotel grounds and the area and everything like that, so that you can kind of get like a better idea of where we are. I know this vlog was probably a little scattered all over the place, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to like give you guys a bit of an insight into just like what day to day is like while we're traveling, and while I'm working and, you know, doing the parenting thing and all of that fun stuff. So because yeah, our travel vibes have changed a little and continue to kind of change destination to destination. So it'll be interesting to see how that evolves. But if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're coming to Thailand or planning a trip to Thailand, be sure to do the same. And also I'll leave some like resources and things in the description as always. There's other videos on this channel, so much to share, so much more to come as well. We have like, yeah, we're a ways away from being home. So I hope you guys will stick around, and until I see you in my next video for a tour of our suite and spot here at Nai Harn Beach, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.